fans finally, and she wanted them to see me. I thought, baby, let's go.
So it looks like we're in the forest.
You got a Wrangler?
Yeah. Nope. Never mind. It's Cherokee. Just write special edition. I'll be up all night folding this map again. 8008. It's boob. Oh, we live in different cities. We should write both of them down. Do you need the map?
Which address should I put?
This one. 1745 House Street. They're gonna see that there's money in that envelope and not even look at this. This is going horribly.
Oh my God.
Done. Alright, let's camp. I have a tarp. Looks like someone let the fire go out. Whoa. I can't see too good. Is that Paul Walker? Famed war hero? Master of the outdoors? Because I got a whole lot of MREs. We got Sonic the Hedgehog. We got an air mattress pumped up. I could not be happier if I wanted to be. I got no cell service, so I don't have to try and talk to people. We could probably get the fire going. I just don't know how. So the cookers and the MREs are extremely flammable. I'm really thinking about just throwing one of those in there because they basically explode. Do you want snacks? I have trail mix. The last time we left off, we were trying to make a fire, and I just gotten Sonic up and running. What is improved and what is de-improved since then? Oh yeah. It's like just salt and calories. You wanna play Monopoly? Oh no, I remember this. I think this is the controller that doesn't work with this thing. I don't know where my 360 controller went. I can't hear you over the thunderous sound of the dogs of war. This is like action cameraman. Dude, I'm totally tracking your motions so good. This is like Star Wars.
What'd you put in there?
A whole MRE. It is burning hot. Hey, do you think the MRE's heated up yet?
I think they're ready to eat. My camera's on fire. Oh yeah, it's a Centralia documentary.
This is what I thought Centralia would be like.
I think a giant bonfire.
Oh yeah. I'd rather be warm than eat one of these. I think that's a cookie. Pasta burns really well.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new video every Monday. You can follow us at eFilmsTravel on Instagram so you can know what we're up to outside of YouTube. Okay, see ya.
Well,
I didn't. It's been cold. This place sucks.